had to put my finger over the camera and the iPhone just for it to start recording. But I am back, y'all. I am back. I done hit and my phone mounted acting stupid again. Once again. Everybody cut it outside. There we go. Gonna be a crooked video. Going right crooked. Heading over to Minnesota, Pennsylvania. Nice little 1,100 some odd miles. My milestone has been completed. I did 3,100 miles. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Yay. And my miles are starting to get pretty big. My last load was like 1,758 miles. So I was like, woo.
We have not received your trailer inspection or trailer
yes, you did.
trailer inspection.
I did do it. It's the third trailer. It wasn't a drop. It was a live load. So, okay, so I get to the shipper. It's supposed to be a drop. I get there. Okay, we're backed up. I'm like, backed up? Wait, what? What you mean backed up? It's a dropping hook. Like, what you mean? Come to find out it's a live load. And my seller don't get, like, loaded until in the morning. So my DM was like, in the middle of the night, was like, I got your message. That's messed up. They said that's messed up. It was supposed to be a dropping hook, not a live load. But don't worry, we put it in your notes. So I actually started leaving out like around 11 the next day. So my clock was resetting. Oh, when they told me to dock, 2 miles per hour. So I did not want to mess up my clock. Everybody was looking at me like, why? Why is this guy only going 2 miles per hour to get to his door? Because I don't want my clock to be set. Only got 2 hours and 14 minutes to go. So, back then, play a little bit Cyberpunk, and then my brain was like, you know what, my guy? You need to get some sleep. We no longer running the COVID Central load time stuff. That stuff is over. So we're running the regular clock. And I noticed the regular clock is not that bad. You can run 700, 680 miles. So I'm like, okay. And this load got to be there at 9 a.m. in Minnesota. Not make it there at 9 o'clock in the morning. 1,100 miles. But the good news is this won't count against me if I'm late. It's already in my notes. But I am definitely going to do my best to get there. Definitely. Get there as soon as possible. Right? 7:30 p.m. So 7:30 p.m. I had to reset my clock. That's gonna take what, like 8 hours? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 10. I did that one. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 3 a.m. Okay, 3 a.m. 3. That gets me 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's possible. It's possible. 6 hours of driving once I get to my first stop. It's possible. I feel good. How y'all feel? How do you guys feel? And be safe out there. People in the Midwest. I'm getting towards the Midwest to that crazy snow blizzard storm. On my way, baby. On my way. I hope y'all safe out there. You know, stay safe, whatnot. You know, this road can get pretty wicked. People who's going into more information about Trans Am, they make some videos. It's not a bad company, y'all. It's not. It's just. It's like even Can you get there on time and can you get there safe? Once you give them 90 days, man, you're gonna wish you had 600 miles. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm lying. I'm so happy with like 1,000-mile loads again. First you start with 1,000 miles. Then after that, it's like 600 miles, 500 miles, 680, 782, you know? I was eating them up. I was like, okay, that's nothing. I'm gonna get that done in the day, and I'm about to get in the back and play some video games, right? So, after that, 1 month of that, you know, they hit me with a whop, 1,750. Okay. Just 1,100 miles, some miles. I like, damn, okay. And then my girlfriend said, oh, you did 3,100 miles for the week. I was like excited. I'm like, yeah, because I usually get like 2,700, 2,800. I always get close. It's so fingerly get close. Fingerly, so close. So close. I was so close. It's almost there. But alone got me down to 2,700. But yeah, I love trucking. I love trucking. You know, I am a lease driver. You can make some money off of lease. It's preferred that you do try to get your own truck. If you get your own truck, you can make as much money as you want in any area, or you can run your own little personal whatever. He dispatches up. It's all good, gravy. It should, but for now, I'm planning on financing. I know people are like, what the man? You want to finance a truck? Yes. Planning on financing. They want 2 years lease and owner operated. Lease or owner operated. Oh, I quit smoking, y'all. Man, it's been a whole month of me not picking up a cigarette. Oh, I feel good. My body feels amazing. My stamina is up. I can do 600, 700 and still be wide awake. I feel good. I feel amazing. I can breathe again. The air tastes so good, make you want to smack your mama. But nah, y'all, nah. Starting off into this trucking, y'all, it's not what you would think it's gonna be. You think, starting off, I'm about to make some money. I'm about to make some big. No. Give it 3 months. Give it 3 months. Company drivers, give it 3 months. Oh, how I do my fueling. I do go by the Fuel Solutions. Sometimes I don't. But what I do is with my map, so I got 110 miles. My truck, when I got to the gas station, was pulling like around, cause I got, what's my scale team? My total weight is 71,640 pounds. My trailer, 29,000 pounds. My drive X is 31,520. I probably could, I think I should, you know what, I think I could release this a little bit more of my drive X. But I'm getting a good whopping 7 to 8 miles per gallon. Kenworth, man. I can tell you about this Kenworth, man. This motherfucker say, yeah, you know what? I saw one video, homie was 12 miles per gallon. But anyway, so I divide 6 to the miles I have to do. Right? And that's how much gas I'm gonna put in. Hey, even though I'm getting 8, getting 7 or 8 on this load, but I am doing 6. And I'm gonna make sure that I have gas once I get there. still, and I be close. I'll probably be like 2 1/4 tank. I'm always end up with this math formula. I always end up with a 1/4 tank. Not, I be close to eat all the time. And then I do that for every load. Then my third stage, I'm going all in. I go all in. I'm trying to get that tank to eat. And if I need to go ahead and add a little bit more, because I got a little bit more hours left, I'm going to go ahead and slap probably like $100 worth of diesel in. And I'm going to run them up. And then I walk away with a nice little $1,000. My last check was $1,193. That's without the bonus. I didn't even get the bonus. I was so happy. I like my first 1,193 check. I was a mechanic at Honda. I used to get like 870, 900. It's my first bad, y'all. People said Treasure Hammer's a bad company, man. Look. Well, I do say, I can't say, you know. Run the business. If you're doing lease or your company, you your driver, you the truck is what's hauling the load, and you the driver. You're the boss of your own self. I don't care if you're company or lease. And being the boss is, like I always say, a boss is not fair to love. So treat people with respect.
Not that English correctly at 9:53.
I know I did that. I went off duty.
This information.
I didn't want to eat up my clock. But treat people with respect, and you will get respect. Now, sometimes, man, treating some people with respect don't work. But hey, I just, you know, I had one problem with one dispatch manager. You know, he gave me a whole spiel. It's kind of disrespectful. But I kept it professional. Kept my cool. You know, most people will go off, you know, keep it cool. You know, say what you have to say. Keep it PG. PG-13. It's PG-13. And I waited, called back again, and I told him I don't want him to be my DM no more. He was too disrespectful, you know? But again, that's that whole, you being respectful. It's like, I said nothing against y'all, but my last DM I was talking to gave me a whole Bible verse. Now, personally, you ain't supposed to give no Bible verse to nobody. But that doesn't mean you be disrespectful. Two wrongs don't make it right. So I told him, like, you know, he was being a little disrespectful. I don't want him to be my DM. Okay, cool, and it's noted, and I never got him again. It's that simple. But as far as everybody else, everybody loves me, you know? Everybody, well, I don't know if they love me, but they like me. You know, we crack jokes on the garment, we be busting up laughing, even risk management. Me and risk management, some cool, they so cool. Me and risk management, they just call me just to have a laugh. We be busting up laughing. You know what I'm saying? Like me and this one, we got this one saying, we like, let's get it! She was like, let's get it! Like, let's get it! Oh man, but you know, love this job, man. People is people. You know, some people is high-headed. Some people, you know, some people is cool, you know, and some people, you know, you give them that rough time, what you expect, you're gonna get rough time back. You know, that's for any job. That's any job. But as a lease driver, you know, you got to be respectful because you're running a business, and a businessman always keep his presentation of himself in a very professional manner. A boss is not to be feared or hated. It's supposed to be loved. You know, you go to work, you got a boss that your boss is chill. You know, you got that one chill boss. I love my boss. My boss is the best. Every time I go to work, he makes me happy. He always makes me laugh. You will wake up ready to go to work. You know, that's how you gotta be like when you're doing lease driving. You know. Be that person, you know, and it pays off, you know. But it all starts with you, though. It is a blizzard out up in the Midwest, you know. said, we're starting out any company. Don't expect to get large miles. You're starting up. Well, starting up, they're going to test you with some large miles. But later on, they're going to test you off with some low miles. Do not refuse them lows. Take them. Take them. Starting off. You're new. It's not forced dispatch. This job is not forced dispatch. But you still need to prove yourself at the same time. So equal to yourself. I am forced dispatching myself. I have to take it. So I can prove myself that, I can do 680 miles in one day. I can do 500 miles in one day. Matter of fact, not only that I can do it in one day, I am there early, I'm pretty much going to be sitting, going to sleep to reset my clock, and then lo and behold, with them good practices, I get to Shepherd, I get there early, I go to sleep, and my clock is resetting. And not only so much resetting, I'm getting a refresh. Every time I look at my clock, I get a refresh to my Saturday. I got 9 hours and 55 refresh time. That's going to hit it tomorrow. Going to hit tomorrow. And the formula to that is not running your whole 11. If you got 11 on your drive, 14, you're driving. You can get there early, 2 hours, whatever is early. That's 2 hours, that's going to refresh. Go ahead. Just go ahead. I think that's how it goes. I think. But, yeah. Oh, my clock is there. It said we can run over at 70, but, I be running, and how I get there early, my clock is always refreshed. My whole thing is at first, when I started off, my whole stuff was on red. It was orange and red. It was time to. I was running hot wire. If it was COVID-19, I'd be running hot wire. I'd be outlaw like a motherfucker. I would be beyond outlaw. I'd be so outlaw I can't talk my way out with DOT. I'm sorry, you're 1114. Hey, your service is out of place, man. Now, since I got some experience in the game, my 11, my 14, my 70. 70 is always, refreshing. It's not refreshing, but I have time going back towards it. And now we running back onto normal clock. I'm still getting 600, 700 miles a day. It works out perfectly. Don't quit. Don't you dare quit. Don't be a quitter. Only quit when things get too, when if you put everything that I said into note, you was respectful to everybody, but yet they still treating you. You try to talk to them and see how you can reframe yourself from the bad people, and if that doesn't work, you got the whole job, like just eating you alive, then by all means, the job, this company is not for you. It's whatever company you at, go ahead. You gotta do what you gotta do, but if there's 1 or 2 bad apples, there's no point quitting. Just be respectful, talk to them with respect, even though they talking to you with all disrespect. But talk to them with respect, and then call back, talk to the next person. Hey, explain, what the situation is, how you feel, how you don't feel comfortable having them next to them, and see what they do. And keep on moving, keep trucking, But don't quit. Shit is going to be hard, you start up, things is going to be hard. It's not going to be easy. But I'm promising it gets better. Fuel, do your fuel right. You got 600 miles, when you get to them low miles, but then you gave that 600 miles. All that by 6. Divided by 6. You know what I'm saying? 600. I just need 100 gallons. That's all I need. They got this, right? I think that's right. Right? 100 gallons, right? 6 above 100 gallons. Couple 100 gallons, get there. weight is good, and what I do is what I also do, I fuel up first, and then I scale. But I'm starting to think I should scale first and then fuel, see how much weight I have first. But I tend to like fuel up first and see what my weight is. One trucker was like, nah man, scale first and then fuel. That way you know how much weight you can put on your tractor. It's good. Wind is blowing. But I'm definitely gonna make another YouTube video today. Cause I should be in from Pittsburgh. I should be in Illinois. And from what I have been told from my good friend, my friends, a shout out to you, my guy. He got a YouTube channel. I'm about to make a YouTube channel. He's a good guy. He's hella funny. Sports commentary. He loves sport. I'm going to give him a shout out once he makes this page. Save your money. You can get a free shower off your first loan when you start off. All you got to do is run your tank over in and fill that motherfucker up. Before you know it, you might have like 2 free showers. But at some point, you get to the diamond package. I go with Loves. You get to the diamond package, you got unlimited refills. Limited refills and unlimited showers, just the way I like it. You know, keep your environment clean, keep your body clean, you'll feel good. Your environment feels good, and you will know you drive better. Your trucks feel good, you feel good. And yeah. That was going to end this video. I don't know why I make it on the video. It is windy. It is windy. Oh, here goes the bridge. Hold on to that Will Stadium lane. We do have trees, though. Trees tend to help with wind. I know when I don't see no trees, I'm like, yeah, the wind is about to go. And we got trees. The wind's still kind of blowing me. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, I bought me some Skull Candy AirPods. I do got some trucker headsets, but I feel like that's for the old people. Forgive me if you know offense people who use trucker headsets, but I am in the 2020. I am a we in 2021. But I am a millennial. Got AirPods. Plug these holes right into my ear. Let's keep moving. But the Skull Candy says like $27.99. They feel good. Like I can't feel them. They kind of chunky going in my ear, but they hold in place. Like I was kind of nervous about getting AirPods. I'm like, man, they gonna fall out my ear for good. I can shake my head crazy, they won't fall out. How they do that? I be telling my friend, like, you hear me? You hear me? I hear you good. I hear you good. I'm like, okay. I do smoke, but I smoke vape. I got like 5% nicotine though. But there be times where I don't have none and I just be like, okay, I'm fine. I feel good. I just don't want no more tobacco or hard smoke into my lungs at all. I don't eat out as much anymore. I'm lying. After I got that $1,000 check, I went to IHOP. I want an omelet pancakes, some hash browns. I need to try Denny's. But I'm not eating fast food. I'm eating restaurant food. I ain't eating fast food like McDonald's and stuff. I'm staying away from that. That's so you out here look. How did my flashlight fall? And my flashlight is my best friend. Every time I do a hook, I don't care. I make sure that turn low on my fifth wheel. I back in good and hard. Oh! Outside Kenworth to get an oil change. I had a strange way of parking. It was a strange parking. This truck parked on my trailer in a strange way. Very strange. And I asked him, like, can I hook my trailer up at an angle? He's like, you sure can? Like, are you sure? So I literally hooked my trailer at an angle. And I still smack it with a flashlight just to make sure I don't like me and my flashlight is my best friend. I make sure that light is on. Oh my gosh, it's going uphill. Oh, 57. Oh. Okay, she gonna starting off, I advise you to get you a flashlight. It's winter season, get yourself a good jacket. Or if you're a hoodie person, I'm a hoodie person. So I give you a hoodie and a vest, a jacket vest. You know what I'm saying? That's boots. Definitely need them bad look. You plan on doing this job with some gym shoes, boy, you gonna in this winter too, man, you gonna be like, oh no, you gonna climb out your truck one day, right to a puddle. Not even think. Oh man. I think that one. There we go. One driver in my car, he was like, man, don't flash people at night, it blinds people. You know what? You are so right, because people be having that high beam lights on, and I be like, whoa. You be at that stage, but you sleepy, but you almost there. You know you about to get off, so your body give you that extra boost. But man, once you see that car or that truck with that high beam for no reason, you just like looking like your eyes just like, whoa. Womp. And I was like, womp. Like, blinding. I was like, look, I be feeling like I had to flash them back. I had to with the flash. I had to with the eye beam. Like, turn your eye beam off. They don't listen. So what I do is I look down and I look to my lane to my right. You see that lane? You can see the other traffic going towards us. I look straight down to my right lane, so I don't have to look at that light. But that light is so bright, though. It's so bright, so attractive. You just do nothing but look at it. But yeah, I'm gonna make another YouTube video as soon as I get to Chicago. Chicago. I'm born in Joliet, Illinois, and moved down to Texas, and I became a Texas boy. Go Cowboys! If you're a Texas fan, I have none against you. Texas Longhorn, but I am a Cowboy. I'm a Cowboy till I die. God damn it. Matter of fact, I need to buy me a Cowboy hat, but I'm gonna let this video go. Thanks for watching. I'll make another video once I get into Chicago, because it's supposed to be a blizzard out there, and I should be in it. And I want y'all to see me in it. So I'm about to go in it. But thank you for watching, guys. Catch you later. Be safe, drive safe. Put God first, or the higher power, or whoever you believe in. Put them first. Catch you at another time.